Hi, Cardinals for World History. It's Miss Wall. I want to give you a quick rundown of exactly what I need you to do today. So we're going to go to our course in Canvas, go into the World History homepage. Maybe I'm not. Let's try it again. Sorry, it was just a quick glitch. I'm going to go to World History, and I'm going to look at it from your screen. So I'm looking at it from the student view. Today, I need you to read the directions. You are going to write down in your notes that today is a test review for assessment number 1. Okay, that's what we're doing. Unit 1, lesson 10, still test review. You're going to enter into our world history course. You're going to click on Unit 1, lesson 10, and you're going to click the link that says review. And it's going to show you a list of words. You're going to use those words to define and use your notes to study and understand what they are, but you're going to make a Quizlet, a Quizzes, a Kahoot, Google Slide, whatever it is you need to make to create a study guide, flashcard, note card, so you and the whole class can review. You are going to submit this to Canvas. You will also submit a second copy to Google Classroom, okay? That's the first part of class. You spend about 40 minutes on that. The other 35 minutes of class, you need to finish all the work that you haven't finished for me. China, lesson 1, unit 9 stuff, and today is the day you can turn in those documents from Hammurabi Code. Documentation A, B, C, D, and E, you can turn that in. So again, in the 35 minutes, if you didn't finish that, you need to use class time to complete it. Okay, that's the code you're going to use. That link to the DBQ course is in your Clever account. Go to Clever, you click DBQ, and your class will pop up, and then you can find the work that's talking about Hammurabi's code. All right, now we're going to go to assignments so I can show you more information about the study cards. So if you look, it says that you only have 2 assignments coming up. That's not true. I'm going to change that. You are going to go to 2 things first. Number 1 is this one that says Unit 1, Lesson 10, Part 2, Test Review. You're going to click that. This is the information that I want you to use in order to create your Google Slide, your quizzes, and all of that. Here are the directions. It says 45 minutes. I'm going to take off and say 40. Okay? Read all of that to make yourself gain an understanding of what you are writing on your quiz or Quizlet slides, okay? I've given you that information. Again, it's going to take you about 40-45 minutes to do all of that, but you are using your notes. Then you're going to submit the assignment to Canvas, and remember, you're going to make a second copy to Google Classroom. All right, going back to the unit. After the 40 minutes is up, then you're going to go back to assignments, and you are going to look for the next assignment, which is the Hammurabi Code documents. Unit 1, Lesson 6, DBQ Project, Hammurabi's Code documents A through E. You're going to click on that, and then you're also going to submit. And you already finished that last week. We did it in class, and I just now I want it. Okay, so submit that one to Canvas only. I can't really think of any other questions, so I will tell you that I have a doctor's appointment, and that's why I'm making this slide. That means you will not be signing into class. You will be doing this work on your own. I'm sending out the remind and an email to let you know that you do not log in to class today. Your video is going to be embedded right here on the home page. Watch the video and then you'll know what to do with the work. This is not a day for you to just, be off and playing. You just don't sign into the virtual session, but you do need to work on that because the test is going to be Tuesday when you come back, and we start it immediately when you get in. The next thing you need to be aware of is in Google Classroom, I will try to put a couple of Kahoots there so you can actually go play and study. All right, guys, I actually am going to miss you. Have a safe weekend. Don't get in any mess. Be really, really good. And I will talk to you, Lord willing, come Tuesday. All right, be good. Do well on the test. I think you can. Bye bye.